and welcome to our YouTube channel Celestial Space Facts. Today in this video we will know about the 10 brightest stars in the night sky. I was reading about it and got a very good article regarding this. Let's get started. Many people think that the Polaris, aka the North Star, is the brightest star in the sky. Actually, Polaris is about 47th brightest star in the nighttime sky. So you may ask, what exactly are the brightest stars? Here is the list of top 10 brightest stars you can see in the nighttime sky. The first is Sirius, Alpha Canis Majoris. The brightest star in the entire night sky is named as Sirius, located further south of celestial equator at minus 16.7 degrees C. It is visible from virtually the entire planet. White, with a magnitude of minus 1.5 and a distance of about 8 light years, is the main star of constellation Canis Major, the greater dog, so it is known as dog star. Important since ancient times, in ancient Egypt, it marked the beginning of Nile flood, which is essential for agriculture survival of this well-known civilization. Second is Canopus, Alpha Carinae, the second brightest star after Sirius, with the visual magnitude of minus 0.72. It is main component of Carina, the keel, and in the works of Homer represent Canopus, the pilot of ship of King Menelaus. As it is a star of deep southern hemisphere, south of Bahia, Argentina, Chile, it is circumpolar, which means it never sets below the horizon. However, it is not visible from anywhere in Europe, requiring latitude from 20 degrees north for contemplation. It is yellowish-white giant. Then come Regal Centaurus, Alpha Centauri. The third brightest star is a system consisting of 3 components, the main of which is yellow magnitude minus 0.01, but considering that the system can't be resolved with the naked eye, its magnitude minus 2.9 jointly makes it occupy this place. Found in the constellation of Centaurus, just 4.36 light years from the solar system, consisting the closest system. One of its component, Proxima Centauri, is the star that is closest to us. 4.23 light years away, it is very small red stars, only visible with powerful telescope. The system is not visible at higher latitude of 20 degrees north. Centauri is one of the best known classical myths. It situates a creature with the body and legs of horse and man, torso and arms. Then comes the Arcturus, Alpha Bootis. The fourth star in the order of brightness is the main member of Bootis constellation, visible at latitude up to 50 degrees south, and is the brightest of northern celestial hemisphere, presenting a magnitude of minus 0.04. It is the orange giant, about 37 light years away, and that is the most prominent in the spring sky. In the picture appears compared with the sun. It was known in ancient Greece as the guardian bear, from which it deserves its name, which is a reference to its proximity to constellation of Ursa Major and Ursa Minor. Vega, fifth is Vega, Alpha Lyrae. The fifth brightest star, it is the principal component of Lyra Borealis summer constellation, visible up to 40 degrees south. It is the white star of main sequence, which means that it is still transforming its hydrogen into helium as a result of combustion. It was taken as zero value to be referenced with the other star magnitude, but further measurement have diverted this value to plus 0.03. Along with Altair Alpha Equali and Deneb Alpha Cygni, it forms the so-called summer triangle, an important reference for the sky orientation of this boreal season. There is also a winter triangle formed by Betelgeuse, Sirius and Procyon, which we discuss in the article about Orion. In Hellenic classical mythology, it is the lyre of Mars invented by Hermes, who gave it to Apollo in reparation for burglary he committed against him. Apollo in turn gave it to Orpheus, and when he died, Zeus turned the lyre into constellation. 6 is Capella, Alpha Aurigae. It is the most important star in the constellation of Auriga, the driver, and the magnitude plus 0.08, the sixth brightest in the entire sky. This is closest first magnitude star to the north celestial pole, making it possible to observe from latitude below 40 degrees south. It is located about 42 light years from us, and it is multiple star system consisting of two yellow binaries. There are many versions. The myth of Auriga, the most enduring, is that of human figure with a goat in his arms. Regal, Beta Orionis. The seventh brightest stars around the night sky is the star located in the constellation of Orion. Regal, pictured next to Witch Head Nebula in the constellation of River. It has a visual magnitude of plus 0.18 and is found about 860 light years from our solar system. The main component is a blue-white dwarf, which identifies with the left foot of Orion, the right one, as we see. The constellation of the Orion, the giant hunter in the Greek mythology, was the subject of extensive work in this very blog and can be found in the section Constellation. 8th, Procyon, Alpha Canis Minors. This star is the most important of constellation Canis Minor. The lesser dog is ranked 8th on our list. Is a binary whose primary components is white-yellow subgiant. It lies at approximately distance of 11 light years from the Earth. It forms along with Betelgeuse and Sirius, the so-called, whatever you call, that so-called winter triangle already quoted above. Along with the Sirius, actually, I got to speak like Sirius because in Harry Potter there was a correct same Sirius. The other dog star was already worshipped by ancient Egyptians and appears in Babylon, Texas. 9th is Archer, Alpha Eridani. It is the 9th brightest star in the night sky and the second to the last on our list. It constitutes the principal luminary in the constellation of River Eridanus with magnitude plus 0.45, located at 144 light years away. It is the white-blue and can be viewed from latitude above 30 degrees north because it is circumpolar south star. The constellation of Eridanus represents several rivers like Nile, Euphrates, or the Po due to its elongated shape that takes you from Orion to almost south central pole. 10th is Betelgeuse. Maybe my pronunciation is little bad, but you will know how to speak. Alpha Orionis, the 10th brightest and the one that close our particular list is the star Betelgeuse, a beautiful red supergiant which would reach its maximum size beyond the orbit of Mars. If it is situated in place of Sun, it is identified with the right shoulder of Orion. To the left, as we observe it, it is estimated to be a distance of 640 light years from the solar system. Wow, I just love to know all these top 10 bright stars in our solar system. Thank you so much. This blog, Penning to N Planetarium, who gives this wonderful blog, and I'm able to make the video out of it. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I hope you are enjoying and learning and getting something from this channel of ours. Celestial Space Facts thanks you for all the support you are giving. Please keep spreading the word of education, the word of celestial space. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Have a nice day.